In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy troll coins step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. As you can see, I have already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar type down troll, and you can see it here, the contract address. Just copy this, go to your MetaMask wallet, scroll down, click import tokens, and make sure that you're also using Ethereum network. And click custom token, paste the address here, click add custom token, click import tokens, and now you can see here your troll coin in MetaMask wallet. Let's go to app.uniswap.org and then go to here and select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Then click here and paste the address here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 1 Ethereum, and then you will receive this amount of troll coin. Then once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up and you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Now once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed, and once the transaction has been completed, go to your MetaMask wallet and check if you have received the troll coin. And if you have any questions about how to buy troll coin, leave a comment below.